Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Attorney Sharp Raleigh, and we are discussing about voluntary departure and the U visa. Today, there was not today, a couple of days ago, there is a memo that came out from the USCIS called Matter of LSM. It's based on the case of Matter of LSM. It's been adopted now as a decision, and we have a copy of this memo attached to this article here. What it basically says is if you took voluntary departure and it was your fault not to leave, even a U visa will not allow you to be protected from penalties on that. So for people who have a voluntary departure and then leave the country at a later stage, they find a U visa now, they're going to give them a hard time to actually do adjustment of status. If you look at the decision here, the memo here. So like it says here, in this case, the applicant was a native of Mexico. He was under removal proceedings, and he had entered the United States without inspections, also usually previously known as EWI. And the immigration judge granted the voluntary departure in 2007, but he didn't depart, and ultimately he was actually eligible for a U visa, and he filed an adjustment under the U visa. But the court didn't want to grant the adjustment of status, and now it's going to be something that they will do frequently on the U visas for those who have failed to depart. And we don't know how much they're going to extend that. Is it going to be on other issues? And there is a civil penalty on that. And for 10 years, you are not eligible to receive any further relief under the section of 240A. And under VAWA, that will not apply, by the way. VAWA, which the U visa and VAWA were enacted to the same, but that will not apply under VAWA here, they mentioned it. And but it will apply under the U visa. So for those who have U visas and who also have a voluntary departure, we recommend that you talk to your lawyer ASAP, because the civil penalties will block you for 10 years and also will carry a fine of $1,000 but less than $5,000 as they put it here. The fine has been set up, but now it's an adopted rule that basically what they did, they took the case and they're making it now the general rule, which is something that they have been doing recently a lot. And having said that, now if you are eligible for U visa, for those who don't know what's a U visa for people who are victims of certain crimes, including domestic violence, including assault with a deadly weapon, blackmail, etc. There are 51 crimes, and you can check on our video on U visa, what is a U visa. But this is really kind of hard, because a lot of people, they just take voluntary departure because they don't really understand what it is, or they just are too stressed at that time and they take it because it's given pretty much quickly usually, especially if it is pre-trial. In this case, I think it was post-trial.